The 2023 Pagani Huayra R is a track-only hypercar that is the spiritual successor to the legendary Zonda R. It is powered by a naturally aspirated 6.0-liter V12 engine that produces 850 horsepower and 540 lb-ft of torque. The engine is mated to a 6-speed sequential manual transmission. The Huayra R is made almost entirely of carbon fiber, which helps to keep the weight down to just 2,755 pounds. It has a top speed of 205 miles per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.8 seconds. The Huayra R is equipped with a variety of track-focused features, including a racing suspension, carbon ceramic brakes, and an active aerodynamics system. It also has a stripped-down interior with just the essentials, such as a racing steering wheel, racing seats, and a fire extinguisher. The Pagani Huayra R is a limited edition car, with only 30 units being produced. It is priced at $3.5 million. Here are some of the pros and cons of the 2023 Pagani Huayra R. Pros: incredible performance, stunning design, handcrafted construction, track-focused features. Cons: limited production, very expensive, not street legal. Overall, the 2023 Pagani Huayra R is a truly special car that is designed for the ultimate driving experience. It is a track-only hypercar that is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. Here are some reviews of the 2023 Pagani Huayra R from some automotive journalists. The Pagani Huayra R is a track day weapon that is sure to put a smile on the face of any driver. It is incredibly fast, handles like a dream, and sounds absolutely amazing. Motor Trend: the Pagani Huayra R is a masterpiece of engineering. It is a car that is designed to be driven hard, and it delivers on that promise in spades. Car and Driver: the Pagani Huayra R is a true hypercar. It is the pinnacle of what Pagani can do, and it is sure to be a collector's item for years to come. Top Gear: if you are looking for a track-only hypercar that is the ultimate expression of automotive performance, then the 2023 Pagani Huayra R is the car for you. However, it is important to keep in mind that this is a very exclusive car that is not for everyone. It is also very expensive, so you will need to have a deep pocket to afford one.